Because some of us won't stop driving like maniacs on the service streets, the least we can do is to have a proper burial for the deceased animal. And please, don't be that guy who thinks someone else is going to take care of it. Do it yourself, and do it now. It hardly takes 10 minutes. Let me show you how. And you must be wondering, oh, I've got all these tools, None of these tools belong to me. Just borrowed from some neighbors working nearby. So, And I can guarantee you'll feel very good and satisfied at the end of it. Thank you.